Hello, my name is Maxim. I'm director of Xiamen Pagoda-Build, and today I would like to introduce our partnership factory in Ukraine. We have very deep cooperation on technology. During the last year we supplied several machines on leasing terms, provided installation services, training to the staff, selected most suitable tools, which allowed factory to minimize their cost and maximize productivity. This is one of the most professional factories and well-equipped factories in Ukraine at the moment. It is located near Rosso Santiago quarry. It owns the original Rosso Santiago quarry as well, and we have a quota for a certain amount of production in here, where we produce Rosso Santiago slabs and tiles, as well as Volga blue labradorite. They have several workshops, and behind me is the first one. Let us go inside and introduce you more clearly.
This is the workshop where the disc cutters are placed. Big machine with 3 meters for the fixing of blocks. This is Xiamen bridge cutters with a CNC function. This one and behind it. And this is one of our machines, which has a record for Ukraine productivity. Behind me is my colleague. Oh, yes. This is Mr. Jan, my colleague. He's spending here 1 month adjusting machines and providing the training for the staff. And during the first 2 weeks here, we already reached a record productivity of more than -10 meters per day, and minimize the cost of production. So now we're in a gangso cutting workshop. They have 4 Pedrini gangso. It's the only factory in Ukraine which has such equipment nowadays. It's the same workshop, and behind me is line for resin application. It will be the first line of its kind in Ukraine. It's provided by our company. Now my colleagues are doing the installation process, and we are going to start operation with resin in 2 days. This is our resin line with 2 drying oven cameras. And because space is limited, so we developed this kind of 5 layers cassette for slabs to stay there and to go through the first stage of drying. This is my colleague Mr. Liu, who is finishing the installation. Lizon, is another workshop of the secondary processing, where we have Breton polishing line for slabs, and the CMEC calibrating and polishing line for strips and tiles. Behind me is another 3 bridge cutters by Pedrini and Xiamen. So behind me is a stockyard of some wastage and blocks, also finished products. Another factory is located, the same enterprise is located near the quarry. We have the 2 cutting machines, our cutting machines, and in the near future we plan to install 2 more, and also Chinese abrasive polishing line, which will allow us to reduce cost even further and to offer even more competitive pricing to our clients. So I hope that from this video you can see that we are not only very competitive in terms of pricing, but also in terms of quality, because the factory which we have partnership is really one of the best factories in Ukraine, with very advanced equipment, and you can be very confident about the quality of products you buy from Pagoda-Build Ukraine. Thank you for your attention.